Hello and welcome to the Main Cave. Now in today's video I've got a quick guide on how to set up any TV to stream your PS5 or your PS4. So this is a brand new feature just released by Sony, and they've added TVs to the list of devices that you can use to use your PlayStation. So if you're new here, we make regular videos on gaming and technology for your smart home, so please do consider subscribing, as we may make a video to make your life easier and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So do hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Now, if you have a PS4 or a PS5, you may know that you can already stream your console to plenty of devices, phones, tablets, PCs, and the PlayStation Portal, etc. But TVs were never able to do that without a bit of a faff. That is, until now. You can now stream your games via a native app, and I'm going to show you how. So what you need for this is obviously a PS4 or a PS5. I have mine connected via Wi-Fi, but for best results, connect it using a cable. And you also need a TV running Android, which is most likely a Sony Bravia TV, or you could just do what I've done and buy yourself a Chromecast. Here I have the cheaper HD Chromecast. It cost me £35, but you could get the more expensive 4K version. It's up to you. It does the same job. So in the box then it comes with everything you need: the Chromecast itself, a plug, USB cable, remote and batteries. I connected the Chromecast to my LG TV, which is in the bedroom, and it's on a different floor and a different Wi-Fi network to my PS5 upstairs, so I think this will be a good test. And then finally what you'll need is a half-decent Wi-Fi speed. Sony reckons around 5 meg download as a minimum, but obviously the faster the better. As I said, I'm using a Chromecast here, but if you do have an Android TV, then the process is exactly the same. So plug in your Chromecast to your TV, and if you haven't already, fire it up. And if this is your new Chromecast, you will have to go through the setup procedure of signing yourself in, else just get yourself to the home screen. So if this is a new Chromecast, and once you're all set up and at the home screen, all you need to do is go to the store and search for PS Remote. You'll then see the Sony controller icon first on the list. Click it and download that. Next up, open the app and follow the on-screen guide to sign into your PlayStation network. Make sure you have a DualSense or a DualShock 4 handy, as you will need to pair it during the process, which again is a very easy process. Just follow the on-screen guide. Now, it's all very easy going through it, and once you're connected, that's literally it. You can play your PS5 the same as if you were using the PS Remote Play on your phone or your Portal. Just on here, a nice big 43-inch screen. That does mean, however, the same rules apply. No one else can play your PS5 or PS4, and no, your TV upstairs does not turn on while this is on. As I mentioned earlier, my Chromecast is one of a different network to my PS5, which means you could take this Chromecast out with you and plug it in anywhere and control your PS5 when out and about. I'm thinking a hotel or a mate's house. So that's it then. I hope that this simple guide has been of help. I'll leave links where you can buy the Chromecast like me. Just follow the guide. It's dead simple. Please like and subscribe. Till the next video. Bye bye.